It's Tony again, 7:45 on the 4th of March. I just thought I'd take a little bit more of this because in case something happens to the other video. These birds, we've just had masses go past and oh look, I filmed before, I did 7 minutes full of these. Look how many birds there are. Hundreds. I mean it, hundreds. Fucking unreal. Oh, there's never more than a dozen. Oh, look. Told you went to get the others. Hang on, have a look at them all. Oh, we've never had that many birds. They're all leaving. But that, you can see hard work. Like it. Of the moon there. Hey, hang on. What's that? 164th? You guys see the moon at all? No? Bloody camera. Nope. Believe me, the moon's there. Just can't see it. But look at that. That's what they've been putting in the sky. Don't know what chemicals do on this. But that shit there. It's everywhere. Oh, of course, let you go. This is Melbourne for you. Now I'll just show you the south. Yeah, not much happening over that side. Just one moment. Let's have a look at the east. One moment, guys. That's magic. It fucking is. Now, before I go, it's more birds. I just can't. Oh, look at this one. I mean, look how many colours there are. For fuck's sakes. All in the one spot. That's not natural at all. How can water, vapour, right, be black, orange, yellow, blue, grey? Of course it can't. It can't be the same thing. Right, so it's the chemicals, obvious. For you people that don't understand, think about it. How can water look all different? Okay, in the same spot. Well, it can't, okay? More birds. Fucking hell. And this thing here, just the tops of it are smoking off. Look at the top of that. I can't stop taking a picture of this. And there's more birds. I haven't seen. Have a look down there. There's evidence of half. The lines right in the middle, going diagonally across. In the middle, white lines, right? Like fish bones. Unreal. And more birds. Unreal, guys. I haven't done this for about a month because it hasn't been worth it. It was the same all the time. This is different. That I can't explain that. No. I can explain a little bit of it, but not all of it. Okay guys, I'll switch off because if it's a long one you won't watch it and you'll miss it. So Tony T saying till next time, later guys.